Some exceptions in Java must be handled in the developer's code. Other exceptions can occur without any exception handling semantic at all. When an exception must be handled with try and catch semantics, it is known as a checked exceptions. If try and catch semantic are not required, it is known as an unchecked exception. A checked exception in Java represents a predictable erroneous situation that can occur even if a software library is used as intended. For example, if a developer tries to access a file, the Java I/O library forces them to deal with the checked file not found exception. The developer of the Java I/O API anticipated that attempting to access a file that does not exist would be a relatively common occurrence, so they created a checked exception to force a developer to deal with it. In contrast, a checked exception and unchecked exception represent an error in programming logic, not an erroneous situation that might reasonably occur during the proper use of an API. Because the compiler can't anticipate logical errors that arise only at runtime, it can't check for these types of problems at compile time, that they are called unchecked exception. Unchecked exception result from final logic that can occur anywhere in a software program. For example, if a developer invokes a method on a null object, an unchecked null pointer exception occurs. If a developer attempts to access an array element that does not exist, the unchecked array index out of bound exceptions occurs.